Very good morning, class third. Yes, today's date is 26 of August 2020. So now today we will start exercise 12, which is based on subtraction, and exercise is word problems. Now open the page number 71. Page number 71 and do this work in your fair copy, right? Yes. So question number 1 is, how much is 7005 means 7005 greater than 5849, right? It means that how much 7005 is greater than 5849. 7005 कितना ग्रेटर है आपका 5849 से. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. द ग्रेटर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, द ग्रेटर ऑफ द given number equals to, which is greater, 7005 or 5849? 7005. So we write, right? And the smaller of the given number, and the smaller of the given number are 5849. 5849, right? Now difference between the given numbers. Difference means minus. Difference between the given numbers. (7005) minus 5849 equals to 7005 and 5849. Now we subtract 5849 from 7005. Yes. So step 1 is subtracting the ones. So we want to subtract 9 from 5, but not possible because 5 is smaller. Then we borrow from tens, but here is 0. Then borrow from 100, but here is 0. Now from the 1000 we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 6, and here is 10, and now from the tens column we borrow from 100, so leaving behind 9, and there is 10. Yes. Now we borrow tens, 110 and leaving behind 9, and in tens position 110 plus 5 ones becomes 15 ones. So 15 minus 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6. So write 6 under ones column, and subtracting the tens, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 8 is 1, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1156. Okay, 1156. Yes. So hence 1156 is greater than is greater than 5849 by hence 7005 is greater than 5849 by how much? 1156. Okay, thank you. Now see the question number 2. Yes, now see the question number 2. By how much is 3768 less than 5012? Right. Yes, so solution is the greater number is the greater number is 5012 and the smaller number of the given number and the smaller number of the given numbers equals to 3768 and difference between the given numbers equals to 5012 minus 3768. So here we subtract 3768. So subtracting the ones, we want to subtract 8 from 2, right? Yes, but 8 is smaller. So from the tens column we borrow 110 and leaving behind 0, and now in ones position 110 plus 2 ones becomes 12 ones. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and now subtracting the tens. So we want to subtract 6 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the 100 column, but 100 position in 0. So from the 1000 position we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 4, and in 100 position 1000 plus 100 becomes 1000. And now we want to subtract in tens, 6 minus 0. So from the 100 column we borrow 100 and leaving behind 9, and in tens position 100 plus 10 tens becomes 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4, and now subtracting the 100, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So hence 3768 less than 5012 by 1244, right? Yes. Okay, thank you class, and do this work in your fair copy. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.